Today, we have something truly special to unbox, the Predator Connect T7. This powerful device is one half of the powerful Predator 7 series Connect devices, designed to take your gaming and streaming experiences to the next level. With the power of Wi-Fi 7B 11000, experience ultra-responsive gameplay. The Predator Connect T7 Wi-Fi 7 mesh router comes in brilliant electric white. Some key details include the front-facing LED, the refined ventilation grille with signature logo and underglow. Around the back, the WPS button, Internet WAN port, a dedicated game LAN port, and a secondary LAN. There is also a USB Type-C port for local network-attached storage. The device binding QR code on the right corner here. At the bottom, the device label is where you will find Wi-Fi SSID and passwords. And just below, we have the power switch and reset button. Let's begin the setup process by plugging in power adapter, as well as the Ethernet cable with a valid internet service. Slide the power switch to the left. It will take a few minutes for the T7 to fully boot up. When ready, the LEDs will glow blue. From your computer, smartphone, or tablet, search for SSID with T7. You may firstly choose to connect to the 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz. Please use the password from the label on the bottom of your T7. You may also download the Predator Connect app and scan the binding QR code at the rear of your device. Then go to http://acerconnect.com on your browser. To log in, please input the admin password from the T7 label. There will be a pop-up message requesting you to change the password. Click Change Now to proceed to the next step. Next, retype the password found on the label at the bottom of the Predator Connect T7. Then it's time to create your own personal password. Please choose a strong password to improve your network security. Repeat the process in the Confirm New Password row, and click Apply when you are done. The next page we get to see is the dashboard. Let's head over to the Quick Setup tab to start setting up in router mode. Click Router Mode, then you will be shown the installation page for the first step. Just click Next to continue setup of WAN. We'll keep all the settings unchanged, connection mode at DHCP. Click Next, then you will arrive at the final setup page. On this page, you can further apply changes to SSID name, passwords, security and encryption types for all available 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, and 6 GHz bandwidths. Once you are happy with your settings, click Done to complete the router quick setup process. A new prompt will appear regarding enabling Trend Micro home network security. We recommend turning on this feature. Congratulations, you've just completed setting up your T7. Besides the Connect web portal, you may also download the Connect app to onboard your T7. However, T7 is a powerful and versatile mesh router. You may follow the diagram on screen to plan how you may set up your T7 mesh system. In a larger home, which requires a more consistent, reliable coverage, eliminate dead zones and weak signals in certain areas of your home by adding additional T7s into your home's mesh system. If you have purchased a single pack unit, it will be configured in router mode by default. To configure a router mode T7 to mesh controller or mesh agent, simply go to Quick Setup and follow the instructions you see here. To create a mesh network, first we must set up a mesh controller and then set up the second router as a mesh agent. There are two ways to set up the agent router. The first method is to connect the controller to the agent via LAN cable. The second method is to press the WPS button on both mesh controller and mesh agent for 2 seconds at the same time. Wait and check for changes in LED, from flashing blue, green, orange, or solid red. This binding process will take several minutes to complete. If you've done this correctly, in the dashboard, you will see your newly formed mesh topology, with mesh controller being the primary or first router, followed by the second mesh agent. Setting agent device by LED indication. Agent's LED will indicate these colors based on the condition of the signals. And that completes the unboxing and quick setup of the Predator Connect T7 Wi-Fi 7 mesh router.